Writing style, engaging. Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into SynthLife, the groundbreaking AI tool designed to make anyone a virtual influencer boss. Have you ever dreamed of creating a digital persona that can engage and entertain just like a human? Well, SynthLife is your all-in-one solution to make that a reality. Let me walk you through how this innovative tool is changing the game. First off, creating a virtual influencer with SynthLife is super simple. You don't need any coding skills or deep tech knowledge. The user interface, super intuitive. You start by designing your influencer's appearance. Choose everything from facial features to fashion style. And the level of customization, it's mind-blowing. But it's not just about looks. SynthLife also helps you craft a unique personality for your avatar. Whether you want them to be witty, informative, or downright quirky, SynthLife's AI assists you in scripting interactions that feel real and engaging. This is where it gets exciting because your virtual influencer starts to really come alive. Now let's talk growth. Growing a virtual influencer can sound like a challenge, right? But with SynthLife, it feels like a breeze. The tool provides AI-driven strategies to boost your influencer's presence across various social platforms. From tailored content suggestions to optimal posting times, it covers all bases to ensure your digital creation reaches a wide audience. But what about making money? Yes, SynthLife has you covered there too. The platform includes built-in monetization strategies. Whether it's through brand collaborations, ad revenue, or exclusive digital content, SynthLife helps you turn your virtual influencer into a revenue-generating powerhouse. In conclusion, if you're a content creator looking to explore the frontier of digital influence, SynthLife is a must-try. It simplifies the complex, supports your creative journey, and empowers you to build, grow, and monetize your virtual influencer effectively. From personal experience, the impact it can have on your digital presence is truly impressive, so why not give it a shot and see where it takes you? Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see the incredible virtual influencers you all create with SynthLife. Catch you in the next video.